often have you needed to repeat the last file search that you did to find that file again? Or maybe you just need to clear the old searches out to make way for some new ones. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. So here I am in File Explorer, and as soon as I click in the search, it actually has remembered the last searches that I did. So if I press P, it should be usually a bit faster. Oh, okay. There you go, it did finally come up. You can see I mistyped a couple of bits and I've got those in. If I need to redo the search, actually the first option is that I can click and just select the option that I need, which will do the search and find it. I can then click on the X to clear it if I need to. However, the secondary option is as soon as I clicked into the search field, my ribbon had a new tab for search. And you'll see one of the commands within the options group is actually recent searches. So I can click there and I can actually see all the ones that I have recently done. If I need to redo it, again, I just simply need to click. It'll type that text in for me and repeat the search. I'll give it a moment to just let it finish doing that bit. There we go. Oh, apparently no files match there. But if I want to clear this out and start again, I can use the option Clear Search History, which will erase all of those. That option is now greyed out because it's no longer available. And if I type in, for example, planner, it'll find some things for me and it'll start to build up my recent searches again. If you find this tip useful, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. If you'd like to be notified as more videos are released, remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell.